In today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing pre-poo or detangler that you use on your hair. So this is my daughter's hair before, and the next clip you will see is her hair all grown. Okay, this is her hair all grown and doing is full, it's fluffy. This pre-poo is just one ingredient and your hair is going to be amazing. So this is the ingredient to be using. It's okra. Yes, okra is really good for detangling your hair. It's good for hair growth. It softens your hair. It helps you to get rid of knots. Okay, so these are the okra I'll be using for today's recipe. I will be making an okra gel. All right, this is an OG. Okay, okra is really good. Like, if you've not started using okra on your hair, you need to try using okra on your hair. Okra is a cheap ingredient that you can use to promote your hair growth and also help you to detangle your hair. So the first thing you need to do is to wash it. Okay, wash your okra, remove every dirt, every germs. You know, it's always, when you go and buy it, it's always either in a sack or somewhere, so you have to wash it very clean, because we are applying this on our hair. If you apply germs on your hair, you have this itchy scalp. This is one reason why people have itchy scalp, because they don't really wash the ingredient they use before applying it on their hair. So this is my okra all washed, all clean. The next thing we're going to be doing is to slice it, which is cutting it in pieces. I'm not going to be doing the grated method. This one I'm going to be doing it cutting it, because I'm going to boil it to get the gel. The gel is not a color gel, it is is white in color. Okay, so that is what we're going to use for her pre-poo stroke detangler. Okay, my daughter had been carrying her mini braids for like 3 weeks. Normally she carry her mini braids for 2 weeks because she's going to school. So for me, I carry my mini braids for 2 months, but my daughter carries her mini braids for 2 weeks because of school. So on this particular month, she carried it for 3 weeks because I made it for her, and she went on midterm break, which lasted for 1 week. So I left the braids on her hair throughout the whole midterm break. So right now she's about to start school, and I want to detangle her hair, make sure her hair is not going to cut, because she carried it for a longer period. Yeah, so that is why I'm using okra gel, and I always use okra gel each time I'm taking down her mini braids. Like, when I've taken it down, I use okra gel to detangle her hair, which has been doing so good for her hair, because her hair has really grew. Okay, my daughter's hair is a 3B, 3A, 3B, 3C hair. Okay, so her hair is not our normal 4C hair. All right, so I always use less on her hair because of her own hair texture. Her hair is not a stubborn hair that you use too much. I use less. So okra is less because it's not a very thick product. Yes, it's very light. So next thing you're going to do, add water of your choice, like tap water, spring water, any water of your choice. It's not compulsory. It does not have a compulsory water for you to use. So just add tap water, boil it for like 5 minutes. Make sure you check it very well, because I close the lid and the okra water spill on the cooker. Yeah, so make sure you don't close the lid, like close your pot, leave your pot open for it to boil. So the okra water is ready. I call it okra water, I call it okra gel. Okra can be used for hair, it can be used for skin, it can be used for health. Okay, like if you want to boost your ovulation, try okra water. I have done that before. Seriously, I drank okra water for like 3 days, and really is good for boosting ovulation. Yes, so okra is used in different ways. Okay, so on this video it's for hair, we're using it for hair, and the okra gel is ready. I will be straining it with my strainer. Okay, strain. Then this particular green part, you can still use it as a deep condition, which you will see it in another video. I'll be showing you guys how I use this cooked okra chaff as a deep condition for my hair. Okay, besties, I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share, beautiful comment, let me know, have you tried okra gel before? Do you use it on your hair? with between okra gel, flaxseed gel, and aloe vera gel. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. So this is what it looks like. It's lighter in color. This is the color of okra gel. Okay, it's not as lighter as flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is always like white, but this one is not white. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, so for more moisturization, all right, so I'm just going to add a little bit, use my whisker, whisk everything together, then we'll move into application. So this is really hot. I allow this to cool down before I use it on my hair. Another oil I added again is almond oil, because it's a lighter carrier oil, so it's good for hair growth. All right, so this is her pre-poo for her hair, and it did an amazing thing for her hair. It's gonna help you to, like, I've used okra gel on my fussy hair as a normal gel, like as a styling gel, and it really brought out my coils. Okay, so on her own hair, this is her hair after I have used it, and it's all tied together because of the longer carrying of the mini braids. So I'm going to cut her hair in section, and I'll use it to detangle her hair. So for the benefit of okra gel, I'll be explaining it as the video goes. So here are the benefits. Okra water acts as a natural nutrient rich hair conditioner and hair growth booster, okay, which is packed with vitamin A, C, K, okay, which helps to deeply hydrate, strengthens your hair follicles, and also combat scalp issue. All right, so one thing I'll say again is that regular use of okra gel helps to reduce breakage, improves hair texture. It also helps you to add shines to your hair, okay, and also smooth the itchy scalp that is prone to dandruff. All right, so key benefit of okra gel, okay, it stimulates hair growth and strengthens hair because it has vitamin A, C, K, okay, which is a follicle and iron benefits, okay, for your hair, all right, which leads to faster hair growth. So it deep hydrates and condition your hair, okay. So the natural sliminess, like those slimy things you see, if you can feel from okra, okay, it acts as a condition that helps to lock the moisture, all right, in your hair. All right, so it also helps in reducing breakage, okay, by enhancing your hair elasticity, okay, that provide moisture, all right, and it also makes your hair prone to, like, it helps your hair to promote your hair to grow, okay, and also helps your hair to stop dandruff and breakage. After applying it, I will use my hand finger detangle before I use the comb to detangle the hair as well. So that's what I was doing, okay. And as I'm doing that, you will see that her coils was popping. I was like telling her to turn a bit so that I can show my besties how this okra water or okra gel is doing an awesomeness job on her hair, because look at her hair, it's so coily. Yeah, besties, so I'm almost done with her hair. This is the last part of it. After this, I left it on her hair for like 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, because she's a child. If it is me, I'll leave it on my hair for like 1 hour, but because of her, I left it like 30 minutes, and I will wash it out. Here she was like, "Oh mom, it's paining me." I told her, "Sorry, I know it's paining you, but I need to really detangle your hair so that when you get to the salon and make a new braid, they will not comb your hair, because I don't really like them combing her hair in the salon. So I always detangle her hair, re-moisturize her hair, like putting my oils, my teas, my butters on her hair before taking her to the salon. So this is the hair shed that we had after the whole detangling process. Okay, and I'm just going to put her hair right like that. Then we'll use this polythene bag to cover her hair. So another thing, the okra gel or okra water do to your hair, it shines to your hair and also helps you in volume, which I have noticed. Her hair, if her hair is dry, her hair is really full. Like when I say big afro, you see this very giant afro. Yes, that is how full her hair is. Since I've been using okra gel consistently on her wash day routine, it has really helped her hair in volume. Yeah, besties, I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So this is her hair after I have washed it. All right, so I rinse her hair out and I use my biotin and collagen shampoo on her hair. Yes, I use biotin and collagen shampoo and condition on her hair. So me and my daughter will use the same shampoo and condition. So she was asking me, Mom, what comb am I using to comb my hair? I told her that it's a brush. She was like, okay. So I'm going to pack her hair and allow her hair to air dry before I use my hair growth tea and butter and oils to moisturize her hair. So basically, let me know in the comment section, have you tried okra water? Do you use it on your child's hair? Do you use it on your hair? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you all in my next video. Yeah, so this is what her hair looks like. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.